Derpy dog is truly the Derpy. My phone is so broke. Hello. Maybe very dark. That's because my phone is broken. And it's been a while since I've made lights. A Derpy Dog Adventure Derpy Dog Adventure to be in fact, because I've had time with drawing and enough time with Lila. Here she is. Please don't tell me you could saw me. I think you could. Please. You're really itchy. Man, you're really itchy, Lola. Man. Like, damn. Stop kissing me. Oh, look at my beware of dog sign. Yay, it's been a while. What is this? Is this thing almost done? Can't really tell. Now press. Oh no, this can't even be a Derpy Dog Adventure without the Derpy Dog. What's that in your mouth, Lola? Dark. You can only see stuff in my room for some reasons. Oh wait, I'll be right back. I gotta, school days. Days. No, this can't be a Derpy Adventure. Yes, this can. I only have about 3 more minutes. So my phone will say, nope, do not worry. What makes a cutie pup? A cutie pup, Lola. Oopa, itchy style. Stop kissing me, Lola. What do you say? You take the adventure back to my room, son. all around friendly viewers can see. I'm so itchy, Lola. Smacking all these pretties. Stop itching yourself! Oh yeah, recently Lola's swallowed gum, and I had to waste $500 just to see where it was. And then now I gotta go schedule another appointment sometime today. $900 to remove it. Oh, battery's up. Well, anyways, 2 minutes up anyways. 3 minutes. Don't itch yourself, Lola. I just came back from the schools. Look at Lola jump. Jump, I say!